Hey everyone, today with me I have the Just for Men mustache and beard. Now you might be asking yourself, why am I reviewing this if it's just for men? Well, I actually use this mustache and beard dye to dye my eyebrows, and it comes with everything I need, including this little brush. However, I opt for a smaller one so I can really get it perfectly shaped to my eyebrows. And they also include gloves, the instructions of course, which I definitely recommend you read because you are going to be putting this onto your eyebrows or skin just like I have done. So you want to make sure you read those before you start. And then you also get a little mixing container and the color base and color developer. So you want to mix equal parts of both, whether you are a male or a female, and you want to use this for your mustache, your beard, or your eyebrows just like me. It's super easy to use. You just want to make sure you mix the correct amount onto the container and go ahead and apply, and it's going to be ready in just under 5 minutes or so. It's super easy to just put on and take off, and it really makes a big difference, especially when it comes to really making sure that my eyebrows look totally filled in the morning. I absolutely love this, and I use it every couple of weeks. So check this out on Amazon. It comes with every single thing you need, and it's really going to help you eliminate grays and get that thicker look, even if it's just for men.